What's up, guys? It's your girl, Jada J, in the cut, and I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday. So one thing I forgot to mention in my dorm essentials video is that you're going to need an ironing board and an iron. And for the people who don't like to iron their clothes, what if you have a job interview or something? You want to look professional, you don't want any wrinkly clothes, invest in an iron and an ironing board. And make sure it's small and can fit into your dorm. You'll thank me later. So my packing experience for college was so much smoother. The second time around, I had everything more organized. And this is how I organized everything. I had my trunk, my suitcases, 2 little suitcases, some boxes, and trash bags. That is all you're going to need besides like the regular stuff. You're going to have like an extra chair, your mirror, and a laundry basket. Other than that, the only things you're going to need is a trunk, suitcases, boxes, and trash bags. And we're going to make this simple. So inside your boxes, you're going to want to have the items you're going to use to decorate your room or anything that you just have that you want to take. Like I had a wireless Bluetooth speaker, my weights to work out with, my moon that glue in the dark, and I also had string lights and many other things that I loved. Inside your trunk is going to be the things that you absolutely need, like your soap, your shower caddy, Tide. I'll show you what's inside my trunk. I bought so much stuff my freshman year that I still have stuff left over that's going to last me my junior year. So remember, you guys, I told you you're going to need a lock and a key. So I'm going to unlock my trunk and show you guys what's inside. So what's inside my trunk is a bunch of detergent. I have flashlights. I have my medicine bags. Both of these are my medicine bags. I have little to-go kits like for Band-Aids. I have my cleaning supplies. I have different bug stuff. And yeah. So I have my shower caddy right here. So in here is going to be the stuff that you absolutely need. There will be some items that won't fit, like your bedding sheets, like your comforters. If you have like a new bag for it, just carry it in that. Like this ironing board won't fit. But once you have everything else condensed, stuff like the ironing board or your chair will easily just squeeze into your car or truck. Next is your suitcases. Inside your suitcases, you're going to have your clothes. And so I just used 2 suitcases, and I have a ton of clothes, you guys, and I was able to make it fit using this, both of these suitcases, and I used trash bags. Inside here I had like my undergarments and my bottoms, like my pants, my leggings and all that. And here were like my different shirts, because I have a billion shirts. My shoes all went in there. So some of you guys are probably going to think I'm crazy that I use a trash bag to pack some of my clothes. But for your clothes that you do not want to get wrinkled, like for your dress clothes, you just take the trash bag, put your clothes into the trash bag. Oh my gosh, I hated doing this, but it was so simple. See, it falls in perfectly into the trash bag. So put it completely in the trash bag. Make sure you get a big trash bag if you don't want it to get bunched up and wrinkled. This is just a little small kitchen trash bag, but if you get like the lawn trash bags, the ones that are black, it's going to work perfectly and your clothes will not be wrinkled. So you take the little drawstrings on the bag, pull it, and make sure your hangers are all facing the same way. You just tie the bag, and just like that, you are done. Once you get to your dorm, it is so easy to take it loose. You can literally just rip the bag if you want, or if you want to be organized and untie it properly, you can do that. But once you take it out, it'll come out just fine. So make sure you use the trash bag, you guys. You're gonna thank me, trust me. And boom, you're done and you're packed for college just like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a like, comment down below any of your video requests, and remember, stay focused and stay fabulous. Mwah. Feel free to comment down below your video requests. It can be lifestyle advice, it can be fashion, hair, it can literally be related to any type of content I post. And if you're not sure about the content I post, be sure to check the description box below, and I will definitely be on top of your video requests. And always remember, stay focused and stay fabulous. Mwah.